Now I took two 8mm, this 1/4 inch drive with a short end so I could reach in behind there and hold the bolt, and this one's a deep well 3/8 drive, and I put a 1/4 inch adapter on, used the deep well 8mm to run the bolts up. So we got that much done. Now we've got to place the wires right there, and I'm going to have to I think I'd rather run this wire this way instead of putting it down there where it could get damaged. I might just try this. This might work. I'm not sure if it will or not. Or I could get a big 4-way screwdriver and take that thing out. Maybe what I have to do. I don't want to, but that thing's pretty hollow. I mean, it should fit those wires underneath it pretty easily, I think. And it might be enough to reach the ignition up under my dash. So I'm going to try to get this wire underneath here and go from there. But while I'm doing this, I guess I don't need to be recording, so stay tuned and I'll show you what I come up with.